Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add password to your PDF file. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There may come a time when you need to send someone a PDF that contains sensitive information such as your tax information, financial details, social security number, or other data. Naturally, you don't want that information falling into the wrong hands. If you password protect your document, only someone with the password can open the file. So, how to add password, how to lock your PDF file with password. It's so simple. So here's, as you can see, I have PDF on my computer and I want to protect it with password. Here's anyone still can see, still can open this PDF file. Now, how to lock it with password? You can just open Chrome or Google on your computer or laptop and search in here lock PDF. You can just choose on it on the I love PDF, protect PDF. Now you can select PDF file, choose on the PDF that you want to add the password, click on open. You can type password for your PDF file. You can repeat the password. So it finished. You can just click on protect PDF. You can download protected PDF. So now let's see. So here's the protected one. Let's open it. You can see if we want to open this PDF file, we need to enter password on it. Let's enter open file so we can see the PDF file. So simple, right? So that is how to add password on PDF file. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.